What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can update the bootloader or the EEPROM firmware of your Raspberry Pi board so that your Raspberry Pi can boot from SSD drive. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to insert your micro SD card to your micro SD card reader, then connect it with your computer. Then open up any of your browser and search on Google Raspberry Pi Imager. Then go to this link raspberrypi.com/software. Then scroll down and from here download this Raspberry Pi Imager application. Then you have to install this application on your Windows computer. Click on the Imager.exe file and you will get this Raspberry Pi Imager setup screen. Click on install, then click on finish. And it will open up this Raspberry Pi Imager application. Now from here, click on choose device and select your Raspberry Pi board. So I'm going to select the Raspberry Pi 4. If you use Raspberry Pi 5, you can select it. So I'm going to select Raspberry Pi 4. Then click on choose OS. Then scroll down and from here select this MISC utility images. Then select Raspberry Pi 4 family. Then select USB boot, this option. Then click on choose storage. Select your micro SD card. Then click on next. Then yes. If you get this type of pop-up, click on cancel. OK. And now it should write the Raspberry Pi bootloader files or firmware files in your micro SD card. It will take a little bit, so you have to wait. OK. Now click on continue. Then close this Raspberry Pi Imager application. Then you can remove your SD card from your computer. Then insert it into the Raspberry Pi micro SD card slot. Then power up your Raspberry Pi using the power adapter. And you will see your Raspberry Pi green LED will continuously blinking. That means it flashing the firmware or the bootloader on your Raspberry Pi. Give it 5 minutes to flash successfully. Now after 5 minutes, you can power off your Raspberry Pi and eject the micro SD card from your Raspberry Pi. So guys, like this, you can easily flash the bootloader or EEPROM to boot your Raspberry Pi from USB external SSD drive or USB drive. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you're watching SSTec tutorial and I'm signing out.